In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently navigate through Google Calendar using a simple yet powerful feature that many might overlook. So let's dive right in and explore how you can streamline your calendar management. First things first, open up Google and head straight to Google Calendar. If you're not already familiar, you can get there by simply typing Google Calendar into your search bar and clicking on the first result. Once you're on your calendar page, I want to introduce you to a handy shortcut that will significantly enhance your productivity. Now that you have your calendar open, press the G key on your keyboard. This action immediately brings up a Go to Date dialog box. It's a great tool, especially when you want to quickly navigate to a specific day or event without having to scroll endlessly through your calendar. The next step is to enter the date you're interested in. The format you need to use here is MMDDYYYY. This means that if you're looking for, say, the 15th of July, 2025, you'll type in 07 time 2025. It's important to get the format right so that Google understands exactly which date you're targeting. If ever in doubt, remember that it's the month first, then the day, followed by the year. Once you've entered the date, there are two ways to confirm your choice. You can either press the Enter key on your keyboard or click the Go button that's conveniently located next to the dialog box. Both options will accomplish the task of confirming your input and initiating the jump. Finally, watch as Google Calendar does its magic. It will automatically take you to the specific date you just entered. This seamless transition makes it incredibly easy to focus on the tasks or events scheduled for that day without the hassle of manual browsing. This feature can save valuable time, especially for those with busy schedules and multiple appointments spread over various dates. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to navigate Google Calendar using the keyboard that not only saves you time but also helps you manage your calendar more effectively. Whether you're planning future events or reviewing past appointments, this function is a time-saving assistant right at your fingertips. So the next time you need to find a date fast, remember this shortcut and let Google Calendar work for you. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.